Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Tata Motors release, a car that's turning heads across India and beyond. Whether you're a city commuter or a long-distance cruiser, this latest model might just be what you're looking for. Let's kick things off with the exterior, because the 2025 Tata comes in strong with a bolder, more aerodynamic design. You'll notice the sharp LED headlights, a reworked front grille with chrome accents, and newly sculpted alloy wheels that give the vehicle a commanding presence. The silhouette is sleeker than before, hinting at both elegance and agility, while the floating roof design adds a modern, premium touch that rivals even higher-priced competitors. Speaking of price, Tata has managed to keep things competitive. Depending on the variant, the 2025 model starts around 8.5 lakh rupees and stretches up to 14.5 lakh rupees for the fully loaded version. For what you're getting, that's an incredible value in today's market, especially when you factor in all the updates and features. Now stepping inside, Tata hasn't held back on the interior. The cabin feels more refined than ever, with soft touch materials, a larger 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Ambient lighting, ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof add to the premium experience. Space is generous both front and back, with thoughtful storage and connectivity options throughout the cabin. Under the hood, performance is smooth and versatile. The 2025 Tata comes with both petrol and diesel options, and there's even a turbocharged variant for those who want a bit more punch. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual and a new 7-speed DCT for seamless shifting. The suspension is tuned for Indian roads, offering a comfortable ride even over bumps and potholes, while the handling feels more responsive than the previous model. On the safety front, Tata continues its strong track record with 6 airbags as standard, ABS with EBD, ESC, Hill Hold Assist, and a 360-degree camera with parking sensors. The car is built on Tata's high-strength steel platform and is expected to score high in crash safety ratings, reinforcing the company's commitment to occupant protection. What really makes this 2025 model stand out are its unique selling points, an unbeatable mix of design, features, safety, and price. Tata's new connected car tech suite, voice assistant, and over-the-air updates also keep it future-ready. Add to that the solid build quality and fuel efficiency, and you've got a car that's hard to beat in this segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Tata Motors model is a clear example of how the brand is pushing boundaries. It's stylish, safe, loaded with features, and still affordable, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to buy a new car this year. If you're looking for reliability with a touch of luxury, this might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates.